Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to speed up your workflow and boost your productivity on your Windows laptop, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share some simple but powerful keyboard shortcuts that can save you tons of time. Whether you're organizing files, managing Windows, or shutting down your laptop, these tips are essential for every Windows user. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you find these tips helpful. Let's jump right in. First up, if you ever need to create a new folder, it's as simple as pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This shortcut instantly creates a new folder in whatever directory you're in, saving you time from right-clicking and selecting New Folder. Sometimes your computer can get a little slow, and you might need to open the Task Manager to see what's running. Instead of right-clicking the taskbar, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open it directly. This shortcut lets you monitor your system and end tasks quickly if something's not responding. Next, if you're ready to shut down your laptop, just press Alt plus F4. This will bring up the shutdown dialog, where you can select to shut down, restart, or log off. It's a quick way to power down without fumbling through the Start menu. And for when you have too many windows open and you want to see your desktop, just press the Windows key plus D. This minimizes all open windows and shows you the desktop. Press it again to bring your windows back up. It's perfect for a quick cleanup of your screen. That's it for today's tips. I hope these shortcuts help you work more efficiently on your laptop. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.